Welcome to aRival TV with the aRival Scotty iPhone beamer here in an unboxing and a short test. As you can see here, this is not too big of a box. We have the beamer right here on the front and on the back some technical details, of course in German, due to the fact that this is a German company. Maybe in your country another company will actually sell these iPhone beamers, which are quite nice, cost about 200 bucks, and they have about 10 to 15 lumen, so it's not too bright, but actually you can see some of it here in a few minutes outdoors when we unbox it and try it out for not the first time actually, because we had it in use for a few days now and we really like the device because it's actually not only a beamer, it can actually always also charge your iPhone. It doesn't work with an iPad due to the fact that we have here the limitations on the side, but that is one of the facts that make this little fella really sturdy. So we will check that out in a few minutes, but let's first see what we else have here inside the box when you buy the Scotty by aRival. As you can see here on the in the big box, there is actually only a mini USB cable, which is not too long, but it's of course enough for charging over your computer or anywhere else. And then we of course have also a manual, which is in German of course right now, and it tells us what to do with the different buttons and so on, so that's also quite nice. We didn't read through it though to see if it's all in a good German or just badly translated. Otherwise we have of course here the beamer itself. As you can see on the back, it's a matte rubber finish, feels really good. Also in the inside it's the same. Let me take out this pamphlet and then you can see that actually it's really quite beautiful. On the bottom we have here the connectors for the iPhone, which I will of course connect in a few minutes. And on top we have it's saying DLP by Texas Instruments. On the back we see the speakers, which are of course built in also, which is quite nice. On the side we have here the volume control and focus control, which is not endless. You can only go to a certain point, but we tried it out for with about 5 to 7 meters in distance and it still worked fine. And the most important part of course is here on the bottom we have the mini USB, then we have the flash LED which shows us if the device is charging our iPhone or charging or giving us a beamer output. And then of course we have here the on and off switch and the charger, where you can select what you want to actually do with the device. My camera's not focusing right now, but I mean you can imagine we have USB, LED and the little switch, and of course it will focus, I hope, in a few seconds. So we will just put in our iPhone right here. And then you can see that of course it's not clean right now, but it looks quite okay. Now you can see actually the ports, and we can for example just hit charge, so you have to go to the left side for that, and then the iPhone made a little sound and it's charging now. I mean the brightness is not too high, but then you can see actually on the corner that it should charge, and we have a little LED here that shows us that it gives out power to the device without having the beamer on. So now we're going to hit it to the other side, and then the beamer turns on. You can see it actually here in this little blue picture. The sun is really shining brightly right now, and still you can see a little bit of picture, but not too much. Of course my hand is quite close right now. As further I go away you will see less, so you can see actually we have here the small little picture, and actually it's always blue unless you are not showing any videos or slideshows. So you cannot project anything like your website that you're browsing through right now or everything that's happening on the iPhone, but only certain things that we haven't tried out all of them yet. For example presentations, which will be of course the most interesting I guess, but videos worked fine even with AirPlay to give out the sound to different speakers, and just showing the picture here with this beamer. So thank you much for watching aRival TV. This was the Scotty aRival unboxing here in Germany, Munich, available for about 200 bucks. My name is Balazs for aRival TV, and till next time please tune in again.